Meet Fuell Fluid 1S, an e-bike that looks like a regular bicycle but performs like an electric motorcycle. It has a super clean carbon drivetrain design, offers you over 100 miles in range, and a powerful mid-motor with so much torque that will make your commute an enjoyable breeze. The Fluid 1S gives you the opportunity of riding all day long without needing to think of a charger or getting tired. The handlebar display offers you all the information you need to control your commute. I rode this e-bicycle for 3 days straight, and it really made my commute a lot faster, smoother, and far more enjoyable. I rode this bike from 8 AM until 3 PM continuously, and at the end of the day I still had 20% left in the first battery. The second pack was 100% capacity. I would not be able to pedal all day on any regular bicycle or any electric powered model available today in the market for so long in New York City on a summer day. This assist is just amazing, and you're getting an elegant design, plenty of power to get you anywhere in a city, and a lot of features that you will not find in any other brands. Now you can plan trips for over 100 miles, and you can get there easy and fast. Guys, this company has Indiegogo campaign right now, so I'll place the link in the description. Check it out. Let me know what you think about this model. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.